welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 1F Dispenser Sales. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Primer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment, Excel 1F Dispenser Sales. Here is a project description. Here is a workbook I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. The project description is, in the following project, you will create a worksheet summarizing the sales of tabletop dispenser equipment that Milestone restaurant supply is marketing. Now we will move to the question number one. Question number one is, open the file student Excel 1F dispenser downloaded with this project. In this question, you will have to download this file from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number two. Question number two is, merge and center the title and then the subtitle across this range A to F and apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Merge and center, select this range A to F column, merge and center. First we select A to F column, then merge and center, then merge and center, and then apply the cell style, heading 1 cell style. In the cell style, you will choose the heading 1 cell style, this one. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet. Correct this one, napkin, if any column are too narrow. In this question you will have to check the spelling, review tab, then click on spelling, correct these and apply the autofit to the column. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, in cell E4 construct a formula to calculate the total sales of the condiment rack by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Copy the formula down to the remaining products. In this question you will have to calculate the total sales equals to and then multiplying the quantity sold times to the retail price, quantity C4, then multiply with the retail price D4 and press enter. And then copy the formula down for the remaining products. Now the question number 5 is, select the range E4 to E10, then use a quick analysis tool. Quick analysis tool to sum the all total sales. To sum the total sales of all products which will be formatted in bold to the total in cells E11, then apply the total cell style, and then the instructions for Mac users. Click on this, then apply total. This one, the total sales for all products. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is using absolute cell reference as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4, construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total sales of the first product and copy the formula down to the remaining products. In the cell you will have to type a formula to calculate the percentage of total sales equals to E4 divided by total sales. The percentage are now calculated. Then copy the formula down for the remaining products. Simply you will have to drag this formula down to the last of the range. The percentage of all products are calculated. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 6 are completed. To the computed percentages, apply percent style with the 2 decimal places and then center the percentages. You will go to the home tab, click on this down arrow, percentage, the 2 decimal places, and center this percentage, and center this percentage, center line. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is apply the comma style with the no decimal places to the quantity sold figure to cell D4, E4 and E11. D4, E4, with the 0 decimal places. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A+ grades in all your assignments, quizzes, or a complete course. Then apply the accounting number format and the 0 decimal places. In this question, you will have to apply the D4, the cell D4, E4 and E11. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is to the range D4 to E10 apply the comma style, increase the column width as needed. First we select the range, this one, and apply the comma format. Question number 9 are done now. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is change the retail price of the artisan rack to this price 29.95 and the quantity sold of the cheese shaker to 425. You will have to change the retail price and then change the quantity sold of cheese to 425. Change its quantity 4 to 5 and question number 11 is delete the column B. First we right click on this, then delete this column. Right click on this and delete. Question number 11 are completed. We have now completed 11 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, US, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. I have handled courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.